Welcome to my presentation on my technical report I wrote here. So the first one is new technology trends in input and output devices. So what is input devices? Input devices is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as computer or information appliances. New trends. Some of these new trends include voice recognition and gesture recognition. The next one is output devices. An output device is any piece of computer hardware that converts information or data into information that are easily understood by humans. Some of these new trends include virtual reality and 3D printing. The advantage and disadvantages. The first, I'll only state one advantage and disadvantage for each one of the topics because due to time factors. So the first advantage is quick access to information and disadvantage is addiction. Yeah, so to conclude this, the evolution of input and output devices is enabling richer and secure human computer interaction. I recommend developers and designers to focus on creating devices that are accessible, affordable, and user-friendly. The next one is the different types of operating system. An operating system is the most essential software component of computer system, acting as a connection between hardware and the user. Here are some operating system: batch operating system, time-sharing operating system, distributed operating system, real-time operating system, mobile operating system, and the last one is computer network operating system. The advantage and disadvantage. The advantage it is fast processing, and the disadvantage is its security risk. To conclude, operating systems are the foundation to the computing environment, with each type offering unique strengths suited to each application. I recommend using all these operating systems for a better understanding of the technology world. The next one is communication in a connected world. Communication technology in any tool people use to create, transmit, store, and share information. The world is more interconnected today than any other point in history, thanks to rapid developments of communication technologies. The advantage is its speed for communication when people communicate, and disadvantage is privacy concerns, meaning personal and corporate data transmitted online can be monitored, misused, or stolen if not properly protected. To conclude, in a connected world, communication technologies play a central role in shaping how individuals and organizations interact, make decisions, and deliver services. These technologies have enabled faster, cheaper, and more effective communication on a global scale. Embracing these tools responsibly is key to ensuring they serve a force for global progress. The next one is cybersecurity. So what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data for digital attacks, unauthorized access, and damage. The advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of cybersecurity is its data safety from hackers, and the disadvantage is it is costly. In conclusion, the digital landscape continues to evolve, so all the complexities of cybersecurity threats, the repercussions of cyber attacks are not online only financial but reputational, legal, and sometimes even life threatening. As technology continues to integrate deeper into lives, prioritizing cybersecurity will be pivotal to ensuring a secure digital future. The last one is multimedia technologies. The term multimedia refers to integration of multiple forms of media like text, audio, images, video, animation into a cohesive and interactive system. These technologies enable creation, storage, transmission, and presentation of content through electronic devices. The advantages are it enhances communication, and the disadvantage is technical challenges. To conclude, multimedia technologies offer transformation potential across sectors when implemented thoughtfully. They can significantly enhance communication, learning, and user engagement, paving the way for more interactive and effective digital experience. These are my references, and we have come to the end of my presentation.